the first top-loading agitator washer from LG. For those who prefer an agitator washer, LG's got you covered. The dynamic agitator design moves water in every direction to immerse clothes in water and maximize cleaning performance. Here are some laundry best practices and tips for best wash performance. For mixed loads, load larger items first and then add smaller items on top. Place garments that have strings like camisoles, bras, and hoodies into a garment bag to help prevent tangling. When the water level is low, the laundry circulates faster, which helps dissolve the detergent. Sort laundry into loads made up of similarly sized items to prevent items from getting stuck at the bottom of the tub. To tackle tough stains or heavily soiled items, add more water with the deep fill option for better wash performance. When the water level is high, the agitator circulates garments down to prevent them from floating on the surface. This immersion helps the entire load get clean. Follow these tips and you'll get the most out of your LG top-loading agitator washer.